I'm just sitting here on my front porch and saying to myself, while you're cutting down your front porch railing here to install a new one, it happens to be cast iron, by the way, why don't you show just how bad the Snap-on angle grinder is? So you know who we're going to put it up against today? That's right, the Big Harbor Freight Red Bauer. They will both have 5 amp hour batteries, fully charged. 5 amp hour battery. Can't see it because of the light, but it's fully charged. 5 amp hour battery. Snap-on. We're gonna cut up some cast iron railing here. Sorry about the wobble there. And I have a funny feeling the Bauer may outperform it. That's how horrible it is. Absolutely horrible. So, don't believe me? Here we go. First we got up the Snap-on here. We're gonna just try to cut out these bars here. We'll just do one pass. Okay. Now the Bauer. Let's see. I thought they were about the same speed. What do you think? We're gonna do some more testing on these a little bit later in the week with some more heavier duty material. Just wanted to give you an example.